Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 11 from chapter section formula. So starting with question number 18. Calculate the length of the median through the vertex A of the triangle ABC with vertices A 7, -3, B 5, 3 and C 3, -1. एक ट्रायंगल है, ट्रायंगल ABC, and we are given the coordinates of all the vertices, all the three vertices. So A का coordinates पता है, B का भी पता है, C का भी पता है. So let us draw the triangle first. So there is a triangle ABC. ABC. A का coordinates है 7, -3. B का coordinates 5, 3. C का coordinates 3, -1. Okay. Now, this is a triangle and we have to find the length of the median through vertex A. This vertex A, यहाँ से we are drawing a median to the opposite side. Okay, what is a median? A median divides the opposite side in two equal parts. Okay, so यहाँ से अगर हम लोग एक लाइन, एक सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करें, नॉट लाइन, एक सेगमेंट ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, then this segment is going to divide BC into two equal parts. Okay, so if I draw a segment on the opposite side from vertex A, so it is intersecting over here at this point. Let us name this as M. Then M is the midpoint of BC because it is dividing into two equal parts. Okay, so AM is the median and इसका length find out करना है. AM का length find out करना है. To find out the length of any segment, we use distance formula. है ना? Distance formula apply करते हैं. To apply distance formula, first you need to know the coordinates of both the points. Okay, segment का जो end points है, AM में A and M are the 2 points. तो उसका coordinates पता होना चाहिए. I know the coordinates of A. Do I know the coordinates of M? No. So first I need coordinates of M. M का coordinates find out करते हैं. Let's say it is x, y. How will you find out the coordinates of M? M lies on BC. ये segment पे lie करता है. And it is dividing into two equal parts. So it is a midpoint. So which formula I can apply to find the coordinates of M? Midpoint formula. है ना? End points का coordinates I know. It is given. So using midpoint formula I can easily find out the coordinates of M. है ना? X coordinate and Y coordinate find out कर सकते हैं. Once you get the coordinates, it's easy. Distance formula apply करके length of AM find out कर सकते हैं. Okay. What is midpoint formula and what is distance formula? Midpoint formula for coordinates of M क्या हो जाएगा? M का x coordinate will be x coordinate of B plus x coordinate of C divided by 2. So if you number this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2, so x coordinate of M will be x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 upon 2. So this will be the x coordinate, this will be the y coordinate. x1 x2 पता है, y1 y2 भी पता है. So easy to find the coordinates using midpoint formula. Once you get the coordinates, जब मिल जाएगा, distance formula apply करना है to find length of AM. So what is distance formula? It is under root x2 minus x1 the whole का square plus y2 minus y1 the whole का square. Over here x1 x2 y1 y2 we have taken as something else, है ना? B और C का coordinates हम लोग ने x1 y1 and x2 y2 respectively लिया है. So यहाँ पे what we'll do, this we have taken as x and y and this you can take as x3 y3. Okay, so ये x3 y3 हो गया. So what will you do? यहाँ पे x2 minus x1 की जगह पे क्या हो जाएगा? x3 minus x the whole का square plus y3 minus y the whole का square. or the other way around, x minus x3 the whole का square plus y minus y3 the whole का square. Of course under root, okay, under root मैंने नहीं बोला है, but under root x minus x3 the whole का square plus y minus y3 the whole का square. Okay, because x2 x1 we have used over here, so you cannot use that again. So it will be x3 minus x the whole का square plus y3 minus y the whole का square, or you can take the other way around. ठीक है, switch कर दो. But if you are switching over here, यहाँ पे भी switch होगा. Okay, अगर पहले मैंने m का x कोऑर्डिनेट कंसिडर किया है x minus x3, तो y में भी m का कोऑर्डिनेट पहले आएगा y minus y3. Okay, you cannot take y3 minus y. I hope this part is clear to you. So let us solve now using proper statements. So students, first you have to write down a few statements. AM is the median. Okay, median यहाँ पे name नहीं किया है in the question, so you have to name that the point where the median is meeting the segment BC. So AM is the median of triangle ABC. All right, that will be the first statement. Since this is a median, it will be the midpoint of BC. Point M will be the midpoint of BC. So therefore, point M is the midpoint of BC. That will be your next statement. After that, we are considering A as x3, y3, B as x1, y1 and C as x2, y2. So that also you will write down, okay, with the respective coordinates. Alright. B and C को x1, y1, x2, y2 consider किया है respectively. Why? Because it will become easy to apply midpoint formula. You can go like this also, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 according to ABC. Okay, order में जाके भी कर सकते हैं. So it's up to you. Alright. Now M का coordinates, x and y coordinates I have taken as small x and small y. Alright. Now we'll be applying midpoint formula to find the coordinates of M. पहले M का coordinates चाहिए, only then you can find out the length of AM. Okay. So by midpoint formula, you have to write this, which formula you are using. By midpoint formula, M का coordinates will be what? X coordinate will be x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2. End points consider करेंगे. So y1 plus y2 divided by 2. x1 and x2 we know. Let us substitute the values. x1 is 5, x2 is 3. 5 plus 3 upon 2 and y1 is 3 and y2 is minus 1. So 3 plus minus 1 divided by 2. So m x comma y will be 5 plus 3 is 8 divided by 2 and 3 plus minus क्या हो जाता है? Minus. So 3 minus 1 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. 2 4s are. 3 minus 1 हो जाएगा 2. So 2 upon 2. So 4. 2 divided by 2. 2 1s are. So M का coordinates है 4, 1. We got this. 4, 1. Okay. Now it's easy. Distance formula apply करते हैं. We know the coordinates of the end points. A का coordinates पता है, M का coordinates पता है. So it's easy to find the length of AM. All right. By distance formula, we will find the length of segment AM. All right. So you have to give reason which formula you're using. You're using distance formula. Using distance formula, length of AM will be under root x coordinate का subtraction the whole का square. So M का x coordinate minus A का x coordinate x minus x3, or you can take x3 minus x any way, okay, any which ways. So I'll be taking x minus x3 the whole का square. And again, since I took M का x coordinate first, y maybe I'll take M का y coordinate first. So y minus y3. Alright, or the other way around. If you are taking a का x coordinate first, then a का y coordinate first. So y minus y3 the whole का square. Easy. Now substitute the values. X is 4 and x3 is 7 the whole का square. Y is 1 minus y3 is minus 3. So यहाँ पे माइनस है, -3 अलग से, so -3 put brackets over here. Okay, so it will be 1 minus -3. Put box brackets the whole का square. So under root 4 minus 7 minus 3 the whole का square. 1 minus minus क्या हो जाता है? प्लस. So 1 plus 3 the whole का square. नेगेटिव नंबर का स्क्वायर इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, सो -3 का स्क्वायर 9 ही मिलेगा. ओके, सो -3 into -3 विल गिव +9 प्लस 1 plus 3 दैट इज 4 द होल का स्क्वायर. सो 9 plus 4 का स्क्वायर इज 16. सो 9 plus 16 गिव्स 25 अंडर रूट 25. 25 का स्क्वायर रूट इज 5. So length of AM is 5. 5 what? Meter, centimeter? We don't know. So we'll take it as 5 units. ठीक है? So length of AM is 5 units. Box this. And final statement लिखो. Right? So write down the length of median AM is 5 units. Next question, question number 19. 3 consecutive vertices of a parallelogram ABCD are A1, 2, B1, 0 and C4, 0. Find the fourth vertex D. There is a parallelogram ABCD. So let us draw the parallelogram first. ABCD है, so either go clockwise ABCD और anti clockwise ABCD. Okay, do not break. ABCD ऐसे नहीं हो सकता है, ABCD और ABCD. So ABCD I am going clockwise. Okay, does not matter as long as you are going in correct circle, it's okay. Anti clockwise भी कर सकते हैं, so you will still get correct answer, so you don't need to worry. A B C का कोऑर्डिनेट्स दिया हुआ है. A का कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर 1, 2, B का कोऑर्डिनेट्स 1, 0, C का कोऑर्डिनेट्स 4, 0. D का कोऑर्डिनेट्स वी डोंट नो, वी नीड टू फाइंड द फोर्थ वर्टेक्स D, उसका कोऑर्डिनेट्स. सो D का कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट करना है. हाउ विल यू फाइंड आउट? Is D dividing some segment into equal parts or is it dividing in some ratio? No. So we cannot even apply section formula or midpoint formula, कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. Okay, triangle नहीं है, so centroid भी नहीं होगा. So what will you do? यहाँ पे we need to do some construction, we need to add something. Simple students, very very easy. जब भी ऐसे कुछ parallelogram, rectangle ऐसा कुछ दिया है, we know the properties of this figure, we know the properties of parallelogram. If you draw the diagonals draw करेंगे, then the diagonals are going to bisect each other, that is divide into equal parts. So if I draw the diagonals AC and BD, they are meeting at some point, let's say M, and AM will be equal to MC, equal parts, and BM will be equal to DM, equal parts. The diagonals will not be equal in length. AC and BD equal नहीं होगा. Okay, one of the diagonals is shorter and one is longer. But जो diagonals intersect हो रहा है, वो point जो है, that is dividing the diagonals into two equal parts. Okay, basically M इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AC एंड M इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ BD. दोनों का मिड पॉइंट हो जाएगा, दोनों डायगोनल्स का मिड पॉइंट हो जाएगा. सिंपल. ओके, सो नाउ आई हैव अ मिड पॉइंट ऑफ अ सेगमेंट, ऑल्सो ऑफ दिस सेगमेंट. सो आई विल ड्रॉ दिस सेपरेटली. M जो है इट इज मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AC. M is a midpoint of AC. A का कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 1, 2. C का कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 4, 0. M का कोऑर्डिनेट्स मुझे नहीं पता. ओके, लेट दिस बी x, y. Similarly, M is the midpoint of BD also. So M is the midpoint of BD also. BD, this same point M, huh? Same point M is the midpoint of AC also and BD also. So M again x, y है. जो भी कोऑर्डिनेट्स यहाँ पे है वही कोऑर्डिनेट्स यहाँ पे है. ओके, सेम कोऑर्डिनेट्स है इसका. B का कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 1, 0. D का कोऑर्डिनेट्स वी डोंट नो, वी नीड टू फाइंड दैट. नाउ इफ यू लुक एट द फर्स्ट वन, M is the midpoint of AC. So using midpoint formula, I can find out the coordinates of M because मुझे A का coordinates भी पता है, C का coordinates भी पता है ना? A और C दोनों का coordinates पता है. So using midpoint formula, I can find out the coordinates of M. जो भी coordinates मिलेगा वो मैं यहाँ पे apply कर सकती हूँ. Suppose that I am getting it as 2, 3. Suppose करते हैं. So वही coordinates यहाँ पे होगा, 2, 3 हो जाएगा. Now I have the coordinates of midpoint also, I have the coordinates of one end point also. So मैं दूसरे end point का coordinates easily find out कर सकती हूँ using midpoint formula, है ना? We have solved this kind of sum earlier where one end point का coordinates दिया है, midpoint का coordinates दिया है, and you have to find the coordinates of the other end point. So it's easy. Okay. The only thing is you need to know that diagonals का property है यहाँ पे. Okay. The diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. So the point at which they are meeting, this point is going to bisect both the diagonals. So M will be the midpoint of AC and same point M will be the midpoint of BD also. Alright, using midpoint formula दोनों केस में हम लोग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे पहले M का कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट करेंगे. Once you get M का कोऑर्डिनेट्स, फिर D का कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिल जाएगा. Okay, so let us now write down the given in proper manner and then solve. First draw a proper figure. So draw the parallelogram first along with the diagonals and the point where the diagonals are meeting. That point we are naming as M. Also write down the coordinates of A, B and C. Now this and this ये भी separately draw करो students. Easy हो जाएगा understand करने में. Okay. AC का midpoint M है and BD का भी midpoint M है. ठीक है. So just draw this also. Easy हो जाएगा to understand. AC में we know end points का coordinates. दोनों end points का coordinates पता है. So मैं mid point का coordinates easily find out कर सकती हूँ. एक बार mid point का मिल जाएगा. Then I have two coordinates. एक end point का, एक mid point का. So मैं दूसरे end point का find out कर सकती हूँ using mid point formula again. So दोनों cases में mid point formula apply करना है. Very easy. Before that, you have to write down given information. पहले frame करना पड़ेगा few sentences. So first sentence will be the quadrilateral, which is a parallelogram. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Then diagonals we have drawn. So diagonals AC and BD are intersecting at point M. All right. This is the point where they are intersecting. Now, since the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other, therefore M is the midpoint of AC and BD. M दोनों diagonals का midpoint हो जाएगा, the point where they are intersecting. So this you have to mention, okay, ये mention करना पड़ेगा. After this, we are taking A as x1, y1, B as x2, y2, C as x3, y3 and D as x4, y4. ये find out करना है, x4, y4 find out करना है. But to find this, first I need the coordinates of M. So M को हम लोग ने लिया है as x, y. So write this entire information, draw the diagrams properly, then we'll proceed. Now we'll apply midpoint formula. सो पहले हम लोग ए सी कंसिडर करते हैं बिकॉज इसका दोनों एंड कोऑर्डिनेट्स पता है, एंड पॉइंट्स पता है. दिस इज x1 y1 एंड दिस इज x3 y3. हम लोग ने x3 y3 लिया है. सो यूजिंग मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला m का x कोऑर्डिनेट एंड y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या हो जाएगा? x कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी x1 plus x3 divided by 2 and y coordinate will be y1 plus y3 divided by 2. So let us solve. First we are going to consider diagonal AC. So write down m is the midpoint of diagonal AC. Since m is the midpoint of AC, using midpoint formula, m का कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट करते हैं. सो m का x कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी x1 plus x3 divided by 2 and y coordinate will be y1 plus y3 divided by 2. x1 x3, x1 is 1, x3 is 4, so 1 plus 4 upon 2 and y1 is 2, y3 is 0, so 2 plus 0 divided by 2. So m ka coordinates will be 1 plus 4 is 5 upon 2 and 2 plus 0 is 2 upon 2. 5 upon 2 will give you decimal में आंसर 2.5 हो जाएगा. So keep this as it is. We'll keep this in fraction form. यहाँ पे 2 divided by 2 will give 1. So x coordinate is 5 by 2 and y coordinate is 1. So m का coordinates मिल गया. We got the coordinates of m. So just box this. Okay, we are halfway there. Half sum हो चुका है. So ये है 5 by 2, 1. Now we'll consider the other diagonal BD. क्योंकि D का कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट करना है, उसके लिए हम लोग ने M का कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट किया. Now we have coordinates of B, coordinates of M. D का फाइंड आउट करते हैं. Again using midpoint formula. This is dividing into 2 equal parts. So let us apply midpoint formula. Now we are considering the other diagonal BD. So write down the same statement. M is the midpoint of BD. Therefore using midpoint formula, M का coordinates क्या होगा? Although we have already got the coordinates of M, क्या है? It is 5 by 2, 1. So, but what will it be using the midpoint formula? So it will be x2 plus x4 divided by 2, x coordinate, x2 plus x4 divided by 2. And same thing for y coordinate, y2 plus y4 divided by 2. Now x2 है 1, x4 we don't know, so 1 plus x4 divided by 2 and y2 is 0, y4 we don't know, so 0 plus y4 upon 2. Now यहाँ से हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं? Any point will have only one x coordinate and only one y coordinate. It cannot have multiple x coordinates and multiple y coordinates. नहीं possible है. So it means that ये x coordinate is equal to this and ये y coordinate is equal to this y coordinate. Okay. So this is equal to this and this is equal to this. Okay. So 5 by 2 is equal to 1 plus x4 upon 2. 2 कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, दोनों डिनोमिनेटर में है. सो 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 5 इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस x4. 1 को शिफ्ट करते हैं, सो 5 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू x4. सो 4 इज इक्वल टू x4. दैट इज x4 इज बेसिकली 4. बॉक्स दिस. x कोऑर्डिनेट मिल गया. y कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड आउट करते हैं. 1 is equal to 0 plus y4 upon 2. 0 plus y4 मतलब y4 upon 2 ही हो जाएगा. Okay. So 1 is equal to 0 plus y4 upon 2. शो द एंटायर वर्टिकल, हाँ वर्किंग पूरा वर्टिकल होना चाहिए. आई एम डूइंग इट लाइक दिस बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव इनफ स्पेस, बट शो इट वर्टिकली, पूरा स्ट्रेट ऐसे जाओ. सो 2 शिफ्ट करते हैं, सो 2 1s are 2. 0 plus y4 is y4. So y4 is 2. So we got the x coordinate and y coordinate of point D. It is 4, 2. Okay. So you have to write down the final statement. The coordinates of point D are 4, 2. Let's read the next question. Question number 20. If the points A -2, -1, B 1, 0, C P, 3 and D 1, Q form a parallelogram ABCD, find the values of P and Q. There is a parallelogram ABCD. Let us draw the parallelogram. A, B, C, D. So go clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay. So A, B, C, D. I am going clockwise. A का coordinates है -2, -1. B का coordinates 1, 0. C का coordinates P, 3 and D का coordinates 1, Q. We have to find P and Q. Now again over here we don't have any point which is a midpoint or dividing a segment into some ratio. Okay, so section formula, midpoint formula यहाँ पे कहीं पे apply नहीं कर सकते. So what we will do, draw the diagonals. So diagonal draw करते हैं AC, BD. Let the diagonals meet at this point M. We know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So M is bisecting this diagonal, dividing into equal parts. M is also bisecting BD, dividing into equal parts. है ना? So M is midpoint of AC and M is also midpoint of BD. So AC and BD separately draw करते हैं. AC where A is -2, -1 and C is P, 3, M. Okay, M is dividing into 2 equal parts. M is the midpoint. Let it be x, y. Similarly, M is also midpoint of BD. So BD भी draw करते हैं. This is for your understanding, students. Easy हो जाएगा to understand. Okay. So M is midpoint of BD. So B का coordinates is 1, 0 and D is 1, Q. M का coordinates x, y. Same point है. Okay. Now I need to find P. P find out करना है. कैसे find out करेंगे? So let us apply midpoint formula. पहले apply करते हैं midpoint formula and let us see what coordinates we are getting of M. M का coordinates देखते हैं. So using midpoint formula M का coordinates क्या होगा यहाँ पे for AC. Okay. पहले हम लोग रफ करके देख रहे हैं how to solve. First we'll try to understand कैसे solve करना है, how will you find out P and Q, and then we'll follow proper steps. We'll write down, we'll frame all the sentences and then solve. Okay. So let us see how we'll find the coordinates P and Q. कैसे find out करेंगे. So using midpoint formula M का coordinates क्या हो जाएगा? X coordinate will be -2 plus P divided by 2, है ना? X coordinate of this point plus X coordinate of this point divided by 2. So -2 plus P upon 2. For Y coordinate it will be Y coordinate of A plus Y coordinate of C divided by 2. So -1 plus 3 divided by 2. So यहाँ पे तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते. This will remain as it is. यहाँ पे we are getting 3 minus 1, that is 2 upon 2. So that will give me 1. So M का coordinates ये मिल रहा है. Here let us see what we are getting coordinates of M as. Okay, so again we'll apply midpoint formula because it is midpoint of BD. So x coordinate will be x coordinate of B plus x coordinate of D divided by 2. So it will be 1 plus 1 upon 2. M का x coordinate will be 1 plus 1 upon 2. Y coordinate will be 0 plus q upon 2. This is 2 upon 2 and ये हो जाएगा q upon 2. 2 upon 2 is nothing but 1. So it will be 1 comma q upon 2. Now I am getting m का coordinates as this first. इसको 1 मार्क करते हैं. Then we are getting as this. Mark this as 2. Can a point have more than one x coordinate and more than one y coordinate? No. It can have only one x coordinate and only one y coordinate. So ये जो x coordinate है ये same होना चाहिए. This should be equal to this. And ये जो y coordinate है it should be equal to this. Okay, so ये हम लोग equate करेंगे. You'll equate this and solve and find the values of p and q. So minus 2 plus p upon 2 is equal to 1 and 1 is equal to q upon 2. You'll equate and solve and find out the values of p and q. Okay, very easy. Alright, so let us now write down the given in proper manner and then solve. First statement will be that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. The given information. Second, diagonals draw कर रहे हैं, okay, so that you can apply midpoint formula or section formula. In this case, of course, midpoint formula because diagonals are going to bisect each other. So midpoint हो जाएगा. So write down diagonals AC and BD are intersecting at point M. Therefore, M is the midpoint of AC and BD. You have to give reason. Why? Because diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, so it is dividing into two equal parts. A we have taken as x1 y1, B as x2 y2, C as x3 y3 and D as x4 y4. M I have not taken as x comma y. You can take it. Okay, यहाँ पे ज़रूरत नहीं है. Now this and this also you draw, students. Easy हो जाएगा to understand. Okay, so ये figure भी draw करो and draw this as well. It will be easy for you to understand. So first we'll consider AC. M का coordinates find out करेंगे using midpoint formula. Then we'll consider BD and find the coordinates of M using midpoint formula. And then we'll equate. We know that it is the same point, तो उसका 2x और 2y coordinate नहीं हो सकता है. दोनों same ही होगा. Okay? दोनों same ही होगा. So we'll equate and find out the values of P and Q. So let us solve now. M is the midpoint of AC. Write this first because first we are going to consider coordinates of A and C for midpoint formula. So by midpoint formula, M का coordinates will be, x coordinate will be x1 plus x3 divided by 2. This is x1 y1, this is x3 y3, this is x2 y2 and this is x4 y4. So x1 plus x3 divided by 2. Y coordinate will be y1 plus y3 divided by 2. x1 है -2, x3 है p. So -2 plus p upon 2 and y1 is -1 and y3 is 3. -1 plus 3 upon 2. So -2 plus p upon 2 and ये हो जाएगा 2 upon 2. So this gives p minus 2 भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, so you can write this as, rewrite this as p minus 2 upon 2 and 2 upon 2 हो जाएगा 1. ये है x coordinate of M and y coordinate will be 1. So write down over here p minus 2 upon 2 comma 1. Now let us see using BD क्या मिल रहा है M का coordinates. So same statement again. m इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ बी डी नाउ. अब बी डी कंसिडर कर रहे हैं. सो बाय मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला m का कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या हो जाएगा? x कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी x2 प्लस x4 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, x2 प्लस x4 अपॉन 2, and y coordinate will be y2 plus y4 upon 2. x2 है 1, x4 है 1, so 1 plus 1 upon 2, and y2 is 0, y4 is q, 0 plus q upon 2. So m x coordinate है 2 upon 2, y coordinate है q upon 2. 2 upon 2 gives 1. सो m का कोऑर्डिनेट्स ये मिल रहा है 1, q upon 2. We know that this x coordinate and this x coordinate will be same point consider कर रहे हैं. So x coordinate सेम ही होगा, y coordinate भी सेम ही होगा. So we'll equate now. Okay. So mark this as 2 and जो previous वाला मिला उसको 1 मार्क कर दो. Okay. From 1 and 2, 1 में कुछ m का कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिला है, 2 में कुछ और मिला है. सो x एंड x का कोऑर्डिनेट सेम होगा, y एंड y का कोऑर्डिनेट सेम होगा. सो x कोऑर्डिनेट ओवर हियर वी गॉट p minus 2 upon 2, here we got 1. So p minus 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. So solving this, p minus 2 is equal to, shifting over here, 2 ones are 2. p is equal to 2 plus 2, that is p is equal to 4. Box this, p का वैल्यू मिल गया. Now y coordinate, so y, that is 1 will be equal to q upon 2. 1 will be equal to q upon 2. 2 को शिफ्ट करते हैं, 2 ones are 2. Switch the sides. मिल गया p and q का वैल्यूज. So write down the values of p and q are, p का पहले लिखो 4 and then q का respectively. Full word लिखना है. Okay. So don't forget final statement and box the values.